If you need to quickly turn a moment from your video into an image, there's a simple built-in shortcut in DaVinci Resolve that most beginners completely miss. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to save any frame as a still image directly from the edit page. Let's get into it. Start by making sure you're on the edit page. Now, go to your timeline and move the playhead to the exact frame you want to save. You can either drag the playhead manually or use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame for more precision. Take an extra second here. The quality of your image depends entirely on choosing the right frame. Once you've got the perfect frame lined up, go up to the top menu, click File, then go down to Export, and select Current Frame as Still. A save window will pop up. From here, choose where you want to save the image on your computer. Next, pick your file format. PNG is best if you want higher quality, especially for thumbnails or graphics. JPEG is better if you want a smaller file size. After that, just click Save. And that's it. Your frame is now saved as an image. Quick tip here. If your exported image doesn't look sharp, check your timeline resolution in your project settings. Your still will match that resolution. Also, if you're using this for thumbnails, try to pause on frames with clear motion, strong lighting, and a visible subject. It makes a huge difference in how clickable your image is. That's the fastest way to save a frame in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, subscribe for more simple, straight-to-the-point editing tutorials.